What up everybody, it's your boy Heavy Crypto back with my video baby. So this is my new apartment in Cape Town and I'm gonna show you pretty much everything I got and you're gonna know where I stay from today onwards. So this is the tour for my new apartment in Cape Town, you know what I mean? And let's get right into it. Cheers guys.
Cheers, Art.
Always, bro. Sure.
Hey, where's DJ?
He's coming. Hey, okay, so right now I'm gonna show you this apartment. It's really nice and let's check it out. So this is like my bathroom and my toilet and stuff like that. If you want to check it out, you know what I mean. Yeah, this is me heavy crypto. This is my room. You know what I mean? Oh, my room is really messy right now, but like, yeah, get the point. Can see this view right here. Yeah, not bad. We're gonna show you my wardrobe anyway, but like, get the point, you know what I mean? So this is my kitchen. This is pretty much this is where I'm gonna be cooking, doing my laundry here. I've got this nice view right here, you know what I mean? This is where I can be able to see pretty much all the, you know what I mean, the environment, the trees and all that good stuff, bro. Here's another view. I mean, it's not bad, bro. You know what I mean? For a trader like me, I always like, you know, trading and stuff like that. This is my fridge, I'm not gonna open it anyway. So this is where I'm gonna be having dinner with the boys and all that stuff. Got nice ass chairs, this glass table. That's Roshan, by the way. He's a P2P trader. The link is gonna be in the description below as well. So it's also a nice room, you know what I mean? So this is also another room. This is where, like, you know, if you wanna talk to me and stuff like that, this is where you can roam, you know what I mean? You can come with your girlfriend, your friend and stuff like that. This is where you guys can roam. And you're gonna have this beautiful view right here, you know what I mean? You can open the windows as well. Yeah, bro, get it, bro. So you're gonna have this view right here. So I'm gonna take you to the balcony right now. This is my nice TV. So this is where I'll be recording my podcast and all that good stuff. I mean, it's not bad, bro. Like, to be honest, you know what I mean? I like this chair as well. I like this table. This is where I'm gonna be recording all the podcasts and pretty much anything. So this guy is like P2P trader. What's up?
Check it out. It bumped all the way over there.
Yo,
and it dropped
bro.
all the way
Crazy,
down.
bro. That's what Bitcoin does.
Yeah. I'm glad I got out of that position.
Yeah.
So, but I'm
was
gonna take
like,
another one now.
That's why I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna enter this position because I saw this coming up, bro. Yeah. I saw it coming.
Man's a magician.
So pretty much like this is where I'm gonna be recording all the videos and stuff like that, and I've got this nice ass view. You can see pretty much all the buildings and stuff like that. It's not bad at all, bro, like, to be honest, you know what I mean? And yeah, bro, like, this is it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if you like this apartment, guys. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below, and you know, I'm gonna take you out there and I'm gonna show you pretty much all the places in Cape Town, you know what I mean? Not bad at all. I like this weather. So this is it. This is Heavy Crypto's apartment in Cape Town, you know what I mean? So yeah, speaking of trading, guys, I'm a day trader, right? I don't really have time to go out partying and stuff like that. That's why I got myself this apartment so that, you know, when I'm tired, I can come out here, relax a little bit, and go back to trading.
Well, you made more than 6 figures.
How did you do it, bro?
Hey, bro, you know, you just do the right things, do the hard work, bro.
Did he mentor you?
Yeah, he mentors me, bro.
Oh man,
He's
that's
just
crazy.
like a man, yeah. And I mentor people too, bro.
Oh yeah.
So once you make it, you can be a mentor too, bro.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
And
It's
where
like
can
that.
where can I learn all this stuff, bro?
Hey, from me, bro. No, I'm just-
Where?
But you can. He's one of the
yeah,
mentors.
you can go to the Trade Center website. You can go on YouTube. We're there too. You can find us there, Instagram.
Oh, yeah?
Anything, yeah, we're on all the socials.
Alright, cool.
All right.
The link is gonna be in the description below. Cheers, guys. But I really like this apartment. I don't know, guys. So yeah. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I've sent that video. Love and peace, guys.